Okay, start, Jay.
Financial management is the practice of dealing with the financial resources of a firm with the objective of effectively accomplishment organizational goals of business success with profitability. Finance is one of the most crucial functions in an organization as it directly deals with the profitability aspect of the organization. Being a financially successful enterprise is the aim of any organization, and therefore every function in the organization is expected to financial management norms and practices. Marketing and advertising being one such function in which financial management plays a major role. There are financial managers who dedicatedly work with the marketing teams in their organization. An organization may need to launch marketing and advertising campaigns for creating brand awareness. A successful marketing and advertising campaign may require a lot of strategic planning, executional brilliance, and a significant monetary budget. All aspects of an organization's marketing efforts need the organization's investment. A finance manager's job is to ensure that all marketing investments are beneficial for the company, either in the short term or on the long term. Some of the benefits of financial management in the marketing and advertising domain are financial management provides funds for the right campaign at the right time. Financial management helps keep marketers on a budget, and financial management adds financially acumen to creativity. Financial management enables a marketing and advertising function to stay on track, manage the financial aspects of business accurately, and avoid any financial blunders that may cause the company. Finance is a partner to marketing and takes care of the analytical side of marketing. Within the analytical side of finance teaming with the creative side of marketing, organization benefits from the synergy created between the two. This brings up a conclusion that managing finance requires skill, and with the started importance, it becomes working professionals to own the skill and contribute to organization's profit as well as individual growth. That's it from my side.
ఓకే నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా.
So
ఫిన్టెక్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఇస్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ మార్కెటింగ్ టెక్నిక్స్ స్పెసిఫికల్లీ tailored for the financial technology. Fintech companies, these companies are using new technologies to improve and automate and the delivery of the use finance services consumers. Some well-known companies such as the Personal Capital Lending Club, Cabbage Wealth Fund, for example, fintech companies are the have embedded the past decade, providing new twists on financial concepts and allowing consumers to have the more influence on their financial outcomes. The world top 10 finance companies are any Edine, Quadine, Zero, Sophie, Lufax, Adat. So that's it from my side.
So let me continue. Well, as marketing in the sense, it is the basic thing for a company to promote themselves. So, in order to make our company famous, what we have to do is we have to follow fintech marketing. So, meanwhile, fintech marketing is not about the old things. What we have to do here is to follow the present things and develop our marketing. With implementation of some simple but effective marketing strategies, we can ensure that our fintech companies cuts through a lot of things, and we can ensure that our company stands out of all the things in marketing. Let me tell you some few fintech marketing strategies. One is we have to go mobile with our fintech, whatever the services, fintech services we are providing in our company should be also provided through mobile. What this does is many of the companies nowadays are many of the apps providing their apps for their transactions, right? So if we go in mobile, then we can develop our company. The second thing is we have to make social our best buddy. So we have to identify the social media platforms, our ideal target audience, spend time and create personal contents for each. For example, if our target is people who are using banks, then we have to select these category of people, and on social media we have to market our company in order to attract these people. Moving on, the third one is we have to create a valuable content. Like why, in how we do branding, how we do all the things in our company. We should also ensure that can provide through marketing. We should show that we can also deliver people more than the things they want. We should be ready to deliver anything they asked and more than the things they asked. We also have to engage with people. We have to be smart with ad campaigns. We should not waste money on this, and we have to do digital marketing as more as possible. And we have to get influencer to influence, such as if we get someone who is a social influencer for our marketing, then it will be helpful for us. And we have to provide things which will be easy for customers to use our fintech services. So that's how marketing helps in fintech sector. That's it from my side.
And acknowledged that have specific target audience. It's important to understand that your products and services have a target audience that can be defined. As a marketer, your primary goal is to find ways to identify whose these people are so that you can create marketing campaigns that speak to them directly. An audience can be sorted any number of ways based on an almost infinite number of criteria, but your audience is unique to your brands. So you are going to want to identify the factors that can be used to create a better connection between their potential needs and what your company offers. One of the challenging the most marketers face is that they are too close to their own brands. While you certainly want to promote your brands and services in a positive light, you also need to be willing to put yourself in the shoes of your target customers as often as possible. What's the best way to reach your target audience is no 100% right answers on the best challenges you can use to reach a target audience. And defining your target audience is just the first step. Now you need to determine if you are correct. It's not uncommon of marketers to identify an audience that they want to reach only a discover once the campaign starts running that a very difficult group of people. That's it from my side.